Hello everyone. Today we are making a southern staple, cream corn. Awesome southern cream corn. And with a few simple ingredients, we're going to make this delicious cream corn. Okay, meet me at the kitchen. Okay everyone, this is everything we're going to need to make the corn. We're going to need some frozen corn. Those are the whole kernels. That's a tongue twister for me. Okay, we're going to need like a 16-ounce bag. And also we're going to need one corn log. And you can find this in your grocery store freezer. It comes in golden cream corn or white cream corn. And this is my preference, golden. Okay, we're also going to need some cornstarch. Roughly about 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. We're going to need a little sugar, maybe 2 tablespoons, 1 stick of butter. I know you say 1 stick of butter, but we have enough corn here. Okay, we're going to need salt and pepper and about 2 cups of milk. Okay, let's get started. Okay, this is the frozen corn. I'm just loosening it up a little bit because it's still a little bit frozen. I forgot to let you all know that earlier on. But the corn log, you want to make sure that is thawed out, and you can let it stay out overnight, or you can set it out on your countertop and it can thaw out that way. But we just want to make sure you do it safely. Okay, and we're going to get that in there with the whole corn, and then we want to get the two of those mixed in well together. And then we're going to start adding our other simple little ingredients. First, we're going to start with some milk. We're just going to pour our milk right on in there. Okay, and milk is my preference. Some people use water, but I prefer milk. I like things a little bit on the richer side. Okay. Okay, we just want to get that, continue stirring those up in there together. All right. And now we're going to start with a little bit of sugar. And we're going to add about 1 tablespoon of sugar to all of this corn because we don't need much. We still want it to be savory. We don't want it to be a sweet corn. And every time I add an ingredient, I stir. That's Mercy's way. Okay, now we want to just add a few little seasonings to that. We're going to start with a little bit of salt. And a little pepper. Well, I like quite a bit of pepper, but it's to your taste, and I like quite a bit. So now we add salt and pepper, and here we are stirring again, because Mercy loves to stir after every time she adds something in. Okay, we got that all stirred up. Give it a taste. See, it's good. So now we're going to take our cornstarch and our milk that we had left over here, and we're going to mix the two together very well. Get it all stirred up in there, pour it right into that mixture. Okay, it's about time to add this mixture to that 1 stick of butter that I've had melting on the stove. Okay. I've had this butter melted on the stove on low. So now we're about to add our mixture to this 1 stick of butter, and you want to cook your corn on a medium heat. Okay, and you do not want to step away from your corn. You want to cook it low and slow. You want to continuously stir your corn so that it does not stick. Okay, we're going to stay here with our corn, and we're not going to leave it. And we're just going to continue to stir our corn. Yes, that's the butter and the corn mixture together. And we're cooking this on a medium heat. Do not step away. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes, and this is what our corn looks like now. It's starting to thicken up a little. Okay, it's 10 minutes later, and our cream corn has gotten even thicker. And in the next 10 minutes, we're going to be looking at a finished product. So I still have not stepped away from the cream corn. I'm just stirring the corn so that it does not stick. So when we come back, we should have a finished product. Okay, we are back, And look what we have. Beautiful cream corn. This corn is absolutely delicious. I did not step away from the cream corn. It did not stick, it didn't scorch. It is just perfect. Okay, we're gonna let this corn rest for about 15 to 20 minutes and let everything come together, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna taste it. See you then. Okay, our corn has been resting for about 15 to 20 minutes, and now it's time to go in for a taste. All right, I have my bowl ready to taste this awesome southern cream corn. Just look at the texture of this corn. It's absolutely beautiful, beautiful. And if you like fresh cream corn, this is a close replica of fresh corn without all the work, because we got everything frozen. And I'm telling you, if you add that milk in there, it's gonna be awesome. So tell me, how do you like your cream corn? How do you like to pair your corn? Me, I like to pair mine with buttermilk biscuits. I'll take me a buttermilk biscuit and I will put it right in the center of my cream corn. And that's the way I like to enjoy my corn. So, let's become family. Leave me some comments. Leave me some ideas. Let me know what you put in your cream corn. What dash, pinch, or tad, or what you put in there to make yours different from anybody else's. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, be blessed.